Right, we're here at the family reunion. We finally got here. We would never have found it on our own, that is for sure. There's my daughter running around with no shoes on. She knows she's not allowed to do that. Last time my son did it, he cut his foot badly. Oh, we're all eating. Now apparently they've got a swimming pool now. They'll be doing some games at some point, I guess. It's all red, the theme. Oi, where's your shoes? It's out your foot.
My dad's sibling.
Okay.
From the eldest to the youngest.
There you go. All a handsome bunch, eh? So it's all the Yukims. Melissa. Melissa's Yukim. It's what? Ooh. Let's have a look at the pig. Oh my god, it's nearly all gone. Look at that. Very nice. Chicken. Lumpia. I quite like this, you know. I'm not a sweet tooth, but I quite like it. I've started eating fat, guys, as well, because I've looked into it. It's not as bad as people make it out to be. That pig was walking about this morning. It's all fresh. So apparently, since the last time we come, there's a swimming pool. So I'll go out the back, we'll have a look. There you go, guys. Now, last reunion when we come here, because the first time we came here, or I came here. Thank you. Thank you. They were all drinking out here. As soon as it got to evening time, the guys are in one place, the women are in another place. But this swimming pool wasn't here. This is Sander. He's a very naughty Sander, aren't you? So I don't know what that is. I don't know whether it's a pond or another swimming pool. I think it might be a pond. So, hi. So I'm guessing, I don't know why the water's that colour. There's obviously no chemical in it. It's going, well, I do, it's going green from the sun. So, when something happens, we'll do another video. Oh, sorry, I'll continue the video. But until then, are you doing the Mickey Mouse theme? No? Okay. Found out something, a couple of things very interesting today. How much I love my wife. And, So I found out something very interesting today. Well, two things actually. One, how much I love my wife. I shouldn't have to have realised that today, of course, but you know, that's me. The other is a bit of information. I was doing a little bit of research online, which is unusual. I haven't done anything really for a long time. And I found out if you're a foreigner and you marry in the Philippines, then let's say you go back home and you divorce for whatever reason, your ex-wife, or whether it's a Filipino or a Filipino, can actually, by law, get married again. They don't have to go through any annulments or, you know, get the divorce recognised in the courts, nothing like that. They can marry straight away. Isn't that interesting? Now the foreigner can't. The foreigner's divorce won't be recognised for him, but it will be recognised for her. Isn't that weird? Now, look at that size of that house where the reunion's at. Now, I believe her auntie is a accountant. Don't know about her husband, but she's an accountant, and she holds this reunion, pays for it, whether it's at the beach or not. Bless her. Very nice when you've got a family member that can do that. But I feel so relaxed. So I got up this morning and I got a message from my friend Ronald. He's in the United States. He missed his plane. He was coming to the Philippines and he missed his plane. What's up with you? You're not that old.
Kylie is taller.
Huh?
Kylie,
yeah, she's getting tall, isn't she? She used to be a little baby, and she's not so much now.
Start dancing games.
So we're going to do some games and some dancing. Then later, I guess the kids will be in the swimming pool.
Having games.
Yeah. They need some chemical in that pool, babe. It's the sun that's turning the water green. So I don't know what they're doing, but everybody's fed and watered. And as the day goes on, the guys, like I say, will be drinking, the women will be on, you know, in a different part. I'm always in the sun. So I've got to be careful because I don't want the... We've actually lost at least 4 videos because of no audio. So I hope the audio works on this one. And as you probably noticed, our regular viewers, we're not getting the views. So please help us get out of this quagmire, guys. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please watch our videos from beginning to end, even if you just go and do a coffee and let it run, please, because we're dying here, guys. We're dying. Just to help us out, and share our videos if you can.
Philippines.
Yeah, it's boiling hot, guys. Very humid. Right, I asked my wife to buy me an ice lolly, and she's not brought any money. I'm absolutely boiling hot, guys. The sweat's just dripping off me. It's that hot. So the ladies are indulging in a bit of wine. That other wine I didn't care for. Who's pushing me? I'm rude. So I might try a little bit of that wine. What do you think? So that I think they're gonna have musical chairs. If they do, it should be fun. I can't do it because I'm a big guy, and if I slam down on one of them chairs, you know what's gonna happen, right?
You've been lost and alone in the city of lights and now. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights and now. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home.
Now, you're all familiar with dysfunctional family. Dysfunctional family, did I say that right? Well, you can't really say that here. And that's one of many reasons I love the Philippines, is the how close the family are. You know, family is king here. We've lost all that in the West. I'm sure many of you will agree. I've not got the camera quick enough because they're all having their photos taken for the reunion photographs.